ASD Life. Alright, everybody, so here on our ASD Life, we are having our first ever World's Strongest Engine competition. So now, our first two competitors are Fiery Flynn and Gordon. So, you might be wondering, how does World's Strongest Engine work? Well, so, these competitors try to crash each other, and all the ones that get eliminated won't move on. Then all the winners will go in the next round. So there's a few rounds. And only one is super duper strong. Are you ready? So Miss Mystery, start Gordon. Oh wait. Battle! Oh, it's tight. Flynn's pushing on Gordon. Oh, who's gonna win? It's Flynn! Flynn is our first winner! Sorry, Gordon. Okay, our next two competitors are Edward and Lorenzo. So, Miss Mystery, 3, 2, 1, battle! Edward's pushing on Lorenzo. And Edward wins. Sorry, Lorenzo. Okay, I'll put you with Gordon. Our next competitors, Percy and Thomas. 3, 2, 1, battle! The best friends are battling. Ooh, Thomas is pushing on Percy. Thomas wins. And maybe Annie and Clarabelle helped. Pepe did not help Lorenzo. Our next competitors, a weird pair. James, don't go showing off this time and push along Thomas. You might think it's funny, but 3, 2, 1, battle! Huh? James doesn't have any battery. So I guess. Oh, yes, he does. Oh, so James is definitely winning, as I thought. I thought James didn't have any battery. That's funny. James wins. Our next competitors, Monkey Thomas from the Monkey Palace and Fire Rescue Thomas from the Fire Rescue. 3, 2, 1, battle! Fire Rescue Thomas is winning! Our next competitors, Emily and Henry. 3, 2, 1, battle! And Henry is winning! Our final pair of round 1, Talking Thomas and Talking Percy. 3, 2, 1, battle! Another best friend battle. Oh, hey, Percy didn't quite lose yet. This is a weird battle. And Talking Percy wins. Alright. Hey. Okay, so now to round 2. Sadly, Muddy Thomas didn't work. And they're talking to each other. Alright, so next pair. This is round 2, guys. Flynn and Gordon. Well, no, that's Edward. Sorry, Edward. 3, 2, 1, battle! Flynn pushed right through Edward. That was quite weird. Hey, I sounded just like Edward just now, didn't I? And so, Flynn, you're moving into the round 2. Who knows, maybe you might just be my strongest engine. Next pair, James and Thomas. 3, 2, 1, battle! Ooh, Annie and Clarabelle are helping Thomas. And Thomas wins! Ooh, sorry, Clarabelle. Oh, go away. Sorry about my silly noises. Next pair. Henry and Fire Rescue Thomas. 3, 2, 1, battle! Ooh, this is another weird battle. Real steam. Well, he does have real steam. Sadly, Talking Percy won't be moving on because nobody's there to compete with him.
Will be or won't be?
Oh, I guess there is only 3 winners, so sure, why not? Okay, so first
4.
yeah, well, this one doesn't work.
Oh,
He doesn't have any battery. And so, first pair of round 3. There's one more round. Flynn and Thomas. 3, 2, 1, battle! Ooh. Flynn's definitely winning right now. Flynn wins! He just as well might be our champion. And final pair of round 3. Talking Percy, which I thought I had to be eliminated, but I guess not. Although he didn't win. And Real Steam Thomas, well, he does have real steam, like I already said before. 3, 2, 1, battle!
Ooh.
That is a weird noise. Talking Percy wins. Alright, so now we know who Flynn's up against. Who's gonna win? Do your votes now. Is it Flynn or Talking Percy? Well, you can put dramatic music if you want, if you're watching this. Because who's gonna win? Final round and final thing ever. Talking Percy and Flynn. 3, 2, 1, battle! Flynn's definitely going to be our champion. And Flynn's the winner of all this video! Give a big congrats to Flynn. If Flynn was your guess, then give yourself a pat on the back if you want to. That's optional. If you would guess Flynn. So, give a big cheer to Flynn! Hopefully you subscribe to our ASD Life to watch more videos just like this. Bye, viewers!